Okay, hello everyone. My name is Amos. Welcome to my YouTube channel entitled IT Means Simple Plus. Today I want to show you on how to do ranking in Excel. So without wasting much time, you just go to Excel. Then I have just a document which I want to just rank. I have a list of students and their marks. So my document, I have named it as IT Means Simple Plus Excel 001, meaning Excel Tutorial 1. So we have the names of the students, then the subject Math, English, Swahili, Chem, and the total. And I have done total just simply by doing equal, sum, then the range. I have specified the range. Now, without wasting time, I want to show you on how you can do ranking in Excel. So to rank, you just use a function equal to rank. Then you put the bracket, you open the bracket, then you select where you want to rank from, then comma, then you drag your list up to where you want to rank to. Then after that, you can just do, in order to ensure that the student with the highest mark is the student who will be number 1. So you have to just use absolute referencing. And to do the absolute referencing, you have to include the $sign. So you put $sign there, $sign there. You put $sign there before the F, $sign there. And then you have to specify the order. The order you use descending, which is default 0. Then you close the bracket. Then you press enter. After you press enter, you autofill. After you autofill, you just click here on autofill button to have options, then fill without formatting. Then after there, you come on sort. You sort from smallest to largest. Then what do you want to do? Expand the selection. You click sort. Then as you can see, the student with the highest mark is Mike. Mike is displaying, has got total mark of 41 and is number 1, followed by Jane, who has that 330, number 2, followed by Mweti, who has 290, being number 3, and lastly we have the Joy, who has 277, being number 4 and the last one. So that is all about ranking. You can subscribe for more videos, more related videos. Thank you, and remember to press the bell button for regular updates on the videos. Thank you. May you have a blessed time.